Cleaning teams face staffing shortages, rising cost pressures, and numerous manual tasks. All of this comes with increasing quality expectations. Documentation, transparency, and control not in place. That turns efficiency into a daily strain.
We know these challenges. That's exactly why we developed Soobr, the digital platform for cleaning in the right place, at the right time. In healthcare facilities, office buildings, production sites, or universities. Soobr gives you efficiency, transparency, and flexibility today and in the future.
With Soobr, cleaning processes are digitized and automated end-to-end, from planning through execution to quality control. Powered by data and algorithms, Soobr delivers dynamic cleaning area allocation, updated daily. Flexible and resource optimized. All tasks are displayed visually and in multiple languages on mobile devices. As a result, the app is intuitive for all employees. Every completed task is documented in real time. The result is full transparency, end-to-end traceability, and robust quality assurance. Day after day.
I see Soobr first and foremost as a pioneer in digital solutions for the cleaning industry. It is a highly dynamic company. For me, it is very well organized, with a strong organizational setup, highly professional, and leads the way. I see Soobr as a true leader in the cleaning industry, a company that is clearly driving digitalization forward.
API connects Soobr to various data sources, such as robots, sensors, and CAFM systems. This enables on-demand tasks in real time, increasing efficiency and reducing time and costs. All processes are transparent and can be analyzed through dashboards and reports, allowing you to deploy resources exactly where they have the greatest impact.
Wherever cleanliness and hygiene are essential, in hospitals, administrative buildings, care homes, or airports, let's shape the future of cleaning together.